Chapter 5. Working with Slides. Insight points. In this chapter, you will learn adding a slide, deleting a slide, formatting text in a slide, adding objects, rotating an object. Hi Lavanya, what are you doing? Our teacher gave us an assignment to write some ideas on saving water. Why don't you write it on computer using PowerPoint? PowerPoint? Yes, PowerPoint. It helps you in presenting the views and ideas effectively by creating a good visual impact on the audience. Let us see how. Okay. Adding a slide. While creating a presentation, sometimes you need to insert new slides in it. Whenever you insert a new slide, first select its layout. There are various layouts available for a slide that can hold text, titles, bulleted lists and other objects, such as tables, charts, pictures, icons and videos. To add a new slide, do the following. 1. Select the slide after which you want to add a new slide. 2. If you want that the new slide should have the same layout as that of the previous one, then click on the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. 3. If you want your new slide to be based on any other slide layout, click on the New Slide drop-down arrow. Select the desired slide layout. 4. PowerPoint will add a new slide with the selected layout in the Slides pane. It can also be seen in the Slides navigation pane on the left. Changing slide layout. You can also change the layout of the existing slide that matches your requirement. To do so, follow the given steps. 1. Select the existing slide in the Slides navigation pane. 2. Click on Home, then Layout, or right-click on the blank area of the slide, choose the layout option from the drop-down menu, and select the required layout. Deleting a slide. To delete a slide from your presentation, do the following. Right-click on the slide that you want to delete in the Slides navigation pane and then click on the Delete Slide option. Or select the slide and press the Delete key. Formatting text in a slide. Applying formatting effects to the text can draw the attention of your audience to specific parts of a presentation and emphasize important information. Similar to Word, PowerPoint also provides several formatting features to beautify the text in a slide. Changing font style. To change the font style, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text to be formatted. 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Font button in the Font group on the Home tab. 3. Select any font style from the drop-down list and observe the change. Changing font size. You can change the font size by following the given steps. 1. Select the text whose font size needs to be changed. 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Font Size button in the Font group on the Home tab and select the desired font size. Or click on the Increase Font Size a button or Decrease Font Size a button in the Font group to increase or decrease the font size, respectively. Changing font case. To change the font case, follow these steps. 1. Select the text. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Change Case button in the Font group on the Home tab. 2. Select the desired case from the displayed list of options. Changing alignment. Alignment refers to the placement of the text on a slide. You can adjust the horizontal as well as vertical alignment of the text to see how it is displayed on the slide. Vertical alignment. You can change the text alignment to top, middle, bottom, top centered, middle centered or bottom centered in the text box in a slide. 1. Select the text. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Align Text button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. 2. Select the desired option from the menu that appears. Horizontal alignment. You can align the text horizontally by selecting the text and choosing any one of the desired options, i.e., align left, align right, center and justify, which are available in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Creating bulleted and numbered lists. To create bulleted and numbered lists, follow the given steps. 1. Select the paragraph to which you want to apply bullets. Or place the cursor at the location where you want to apply bullets. 2. Click on bullets or number and drop-down arrow in the paragraph group on the Home tab. 3. Select the desired list style from the displayed options. Using Format Painter. Just like in Word, Format Painter allows you to copy the formatting effects from one object to another in PowerPoint too. It picks all the formatting from your first object, whether it is a shape, picture or piece of text, and applies it to another one. To copy the formatting effect, follow these steps. 1. Select the text formatting that you want to copy. 2. Click on the Format Painter tab button in the clipboard group on the Home. 3. The pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. Now, hold down the mouse and drag it over the text on which you want to apply the effect, and release the mouse button. Adding objects. You can add different objects in the slide to enhance its look. Inserting word art. The word art feature helps you to create special or decorative text. It gives a unique look to the text. By using word art, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, or apply 3D effects. 1. On the Insert tab, click on the Word Art button in the text group. 2. The Word Art gallery opens on the screen as shown in figure. Select any word art style. 3. Type Welcome in the placeholder by replacing the text, your text here. You can apply various text effects to the above text by using the Word Art Styles group on the Shape Format tab as shown in figure. The steps are as follows. 1. Click on the Text Fill drop-down arrow. Select the desired color and observe the change. 2. Click on the Text Outline drop-down arrow. Choose the desired text outline from the displayed list. 3. Now, click on the Text Effects drop-down arrow. Point to the 3-D rotation option and select the desired effect from the perspective section and observe the changes in the text. Inserting a text box. Sometimes, you may have to add more text than the area provided for entering text in the slide. The text box button gives the facility to add more text to your slide. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate the text. You can move the text box along with its content anywhere on the slide. To insert a text box, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the text box button in the text group on the Insert tab. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards right and release the mouse button. 2. You will get a rectangular box on the slide with the cursor. Enter the text. Say, "This is a text box." Inserting pictures. It is rightly said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. An image of a subject conveys its meaning more effectively than its text description does. You can insert pictures in a presentation by clicking on the Insert tab and selecting the picture option from the Images group. There are 3 ways to insert a picture. Inserting pictures from a file. To insert a picture from a file, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. Select the pictures, then this device option in the Images group. 2. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the picture and click on the Insert button. 3. The selected picture will be added in the slide. Inserting stock images. To insert picture from the stock of images, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert then Pictures then Stock Images option. 2. The Stock Images window will open as shown in figure. 3. Choose a theme from the Stock Images window. You can also type your search term in the search bar. 4. Select a picture or more pictures from the gallery of images and click on the Insert button. 5. The selected pictures will be added in your slide. 6. You can drag the handles of the picture to resize it and place it at the desired position. Inserting online pictures. To insert a picture from the internet, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert then Pictures then Online Pictures option. 2. Type a search term in the search box, say, computer. A gallery of images related to the search term will be displayed. 3. Select the desired image and click on the Insert button. 4. The image will appear on the selected slide. Inserting shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps in inserting different shapes into a slide. Shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped and colored too. To insert shapes, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Shapes option in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. You will see different categories like lines, rectangles, flowcharts, etc. 2. Select a shape. The pointer changes to a plus sign. Bring the pointer on the slide where you want to place the object. Click and drag the mouse to draw. Release the mouse once completed. Adding text in a shape. You can add text in a shape. Right-click on the shape and select Edit Text from the shortcut menu. The insertion point appears inside the shape. Now, you can type the text inside the shape. Applying shadow effects to shapes. You can apply the shadow effects to any shape. It will the shape impressive in appearance. 1. Select a shape. 2. Click on the Shape Effects option on the Home tab in the Drawing group. 3. Select the Shadow option from the drop-down menu. 4. Click on the Offset, Center option in the outer section in the Cascading menu. 5. The selected effect will appear on the shape. Rotating an object. To rotate a picture or any other object, follow these steps. 1. Select the picture, shape, word art or text box that you want to rotate. A rotation handle appears at the top of the object. 2. Click on the rotation handle and drag it in the direction in which you want to rotate the shape. 3. You can also rotate a picture or an object using the Rotate option. For this, select the object and click on the Shape Format tab. 4. In the Arrange group, click on the Rotate option. 5. Choose the desired rotation from the drop-down menu. 6. Apart from rotating an image, you can flip it by using the Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical option from the drop-down menu of the Rotate option under Arrange group then Shape Format tab. Resizing an object. To adjust the size of an object or picture, follow these steps. 1. Select the object that you want to resize. 2. Bring the pointer to any of the 8 resizing handles on the selected object. 3. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, drag the handle inwards to outwards to increase the size of a shape. 4. If you want to resize the object by keeping the center of an object in the same place, then hold down the Control key as you drag. Inserting 3D models. In PowerPoint, you can add some additional objects, like icons and 3D models. Let us learn how to add 3D models in a PowerPoint presentation. To add a 3D model to your presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab and select 3D models in the Illustrations group. From the drop-down menu, select Stock 3D Models or the This Device option. To the Online 3D Models dialog box will open. Choose a category, for example, Dinosaurs. 3. Then, select a 3D model of your choice and double-click on it to insert in a slide.